not power related, but at the same time, we will get something done with it. So, oh yeah, I think I know the problem. It can probably boot up because that device we didn't configure it to our own network. So let me go ahead and it's been exciting, but it's a lot. As you can see, it's a lot. It takes a lot of effort to do this. Let me check one thing, and I need to check is basically going to my Nutanix, so the nodes I have. I know it has issues, but let's see if it's gonna actually go in there. 192.168.120. There you go. Looks like I can go there. And can I go into the VMs? Let me log in first of all. So it disconnected from Prism Central and it's rebuilding the capacity. Why is it rebuilding the capacity? Oh, because let me look at the hardware. What happened? So one node, oh, it's not online. So let's check how many nodes we have. We only have one node. One node is not on. So I think what happened is something happened with our power and that node did not come on. So let's figure out what happened to that node. Maybe, or it's not plugged in all the way. But at least we can say one thing for sure, it is working. Which node is that? Node A is not on. As you can see here, this is node B. Hold up, that's node A. Node B is not on. And node C. And we can confirm this for sure. Let me make sure. You'll find out which node is not on by basically going to the identification. And then we need to troubleshoot why that node is not on. So it says we only have 2 nodes, but we are a 3-node cluster. So let's come over here to hardware host. Node B is not on. Yep, that's what I figured, because there's not enough traffic going through there. So we need to figure out what happened to node B. Why is it not coming on? I bet you we don't have sufficient power, and that's why. But let's switch back and then we can test that. But before we do that, I need to actually get a cable and plug directly to this, make the local connection, and then make this happen. So let's do that. Let's do it. We need a chair, which we will get from there. When you go in the data centers, you gotta sit sometimes and you gotta do something, because doing things on this while standing, you ain't gonna cut it all the time. So we're gonna need to change this configuration. And we also need to troubleshoot node B. So I think one easy troubleshooting we're gonna be able to do is the node B one, but I do need to also do this. So let me connect to it, see if my laptop has got enough power. If it doesn't, looks like it got enough power. And also, what happened to node B? Are we just missing? This one is not even in all the way. Good. It looks like we got a critical low battery. Okay, let's plug in the power over here. And then on top of that, let's take a look at why node B is not working. I bet it's just networking, because power is good. Maybe networking is not. Oh, that's actually node C, so it's not. Okay, we'll troubleshoot this, but let's do this. This is easy win for us, which is a NetScaler. We're gonna change the IP. Need to boot up this thing, reboot this thing. One of the ways to do that is gonna be unplug this one of them. So we're gonna fix the Nutanix node. This one is gonna be more involved. So let's do this. So I know node C, that one is not good. Is it good? And not all ports are active there. That's a simple fix. This one is not working. One switch is not coming on. It's a simple fix. I don't know what happened, but we got it. What happened to his power?